You can expect a lot from the 2020 Kia Sportage. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.